front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Google section over here. Then tap on All Services and scroll again, this time to choose Autoview with Google. Now scroll one more time, click on Google Password Manager and pick any password you wanna edit. Just click on it and enter your screen lock. Now choose Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished with all of your changes, misclick, you can hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my changes were successfully saved. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!